In Year 7, this is a video about how to make a Wonder Woman logo in Fusion 360 that looks similar to this. So this is what we want to go for. We're going to draw the shape and apply materials to create that sort of effect. So to create the logo, first thing we do is make a new design, a brand new design. So it looks like this. Here's my new design. I'm going to go to Create Sketch. When I click Create Sketch, I've got to select a face to draw the logo on. I'm going to select this one. Alright, now, because the Wonder Woman logo is symmetrical, or the same on either side, we can actually do this reasonably quickly using a function called mirror. So to use the mirror function, I create a sketch, and in my sketch menu, I draw a line that goes up and down. Now, if I draw a random shape on one side of this, or a random line, that looks like this, for example, click the little plus symbol, the tick symbol. Okay, if I select this line, so it's dark blue, and if I type S for search, I can enter mirror, and I've got the option, okay, one object is selected, which is this. Then it asks you to select a mirror line, which is that line that goes up and down. Okay, and then you click OK. So what you can do is very quickly create objects that are the same on either side. Right, so I just made this sketch. I don't want that anymore. So I'm going to go to my sketches, expand, and turn the eye off, just so it's hidden. Alright, now to do the actual Wonder Woman logo using the mirror function. Create a sketch, click a face. Alright, the Wonder Woman logo, a line that goes up and down the middle, like so. Click the tick symbol. Alright, now I'm going to try and do a better job than the first one. So Wonder Woman logo is kind of like a bit of a squashed shape like this. Okay, the top of the Wonder Woman logo, you draw a W. I'm going to put a line down here just so that there's a guide. Okay, there's one W. Do another one quickly in a similar spot. I think this will be slightly different than the other one, but that's okay. Okay, just finishing it off quickly. Okay, W, W, and then a little diamond down the bottom here. Righto, so if I press escape, it's now time to, I might move this up and edit that a little bit. Right, it's now time to mirror what I've drawn. So I'm going to select this line, hold shift and select that line. I want to select this, 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 this line, this line, this line, this line. So basically I'm selecting every single line that I want to use for something else, that I want to mirror. Okay, so the outline selected, so that's good. I'm going to go S for mirror, type mirror, make sure I click the top one. You know it works because it's got objects 19 selected, so that's good. Now go to mirror line, select, and select the line in the middle. Click OK. Right? So we've mirrored it, it's symmetrical, except for these little bits, but I can delete that. I don't want that. Okay. I don't want this either, actually. I'll delete that. So now I've got this shape. I'm going to finish sketch. When I finish sketch, it zooms out and it looks like this. And I should say, it's very important that you don't make multiple sketches. You should try and work with one sketch for one part of the design. If you make multiple sketches, it just gets very complicated. Right, so this is a flat image. If I look at it from the top, it's just a line. So what I need to do is give it depth. So I'm going to select every part of the design that I want to give depth to. Okay, so I've selected that shape. I'm now going to go extrude, and I'll go 8. Type 8, and now it'll be 8 millimeters deep. So now I can zoom around and look at what I've got. So it's a little bit of a different shape to my original, but still okay. What I need to do is create a circle, a border, to put behind the logo. So I'm going to do this. Create a new sketch. Click the face. Okay. Go up the top, find my sketch tools, select a circle, and I'll go about there. Actually, I might go a little higher. I'll go about there. Okay, there's one circle. There's another circle. 2 circles that are lined up correctly, aligned. Finish sketch. Okay, I'm going to select the outside, and I'm going to extrude. Now, the top design here is 8 high. I only want this bit to be 5 high. So see how it's gone from, it's gone to cut. I want it to say join. Okay. Alright. I got Wonder Woman. I've got a circle. Now I also want to put some material behind this. So if I go to my sketches, my sketch was hidden for the circle. So I'm going to turn that back on. And this time, I'm only going to select the inside circle, not the outside circle. Press extrude again. And it's going to be 3 high. And this time, I want to make a new body. Okay, it's very important you do a new body, because if you join, you can't apply different materials. Right, here's my logo. Almost finished. The only thing I need to do now is apply cool materials to make this look a little more realistic. So materials are in the appearance menu. To get the appearance menu up, you press A. So the appearance menu looks like this. We've got all sorts of different materials in the materials in the appearance window. So just for example, if I click on wood, finished, I could make it look like the logo was carved out of wood. So all I do is click and drag on top of my design. So that's not too bad, but I want Wonder Woman to look like it's made out of metal. So I'm going to go to bronze, a polished bronze for the logo and the border. And the inside, I might go a black chrome and see what that looks like. Don't like it. Iron, polished iron. Okay, that's pretty good. Alright, here's my logo. The final thing you could do, once you make your logo, is create a rendered picture of this. So to create a rendered picture, you go up to design, to render. You've got to move it around so it's in the light. Alright, so you notice there's a big difference between design and render. Design is how you make your object. Render is how you make a picture of your object. So here's the logo. I'm going to go render. Render. Oops, I should save. Okay. Render, render. Save. Why not? Okay. Logo. Let's try this for a third time. Render, render. One more time. Render. Alright, here we go. So when it comes to rendering, I would suggest you turn off cloud rendering because it takes a long time. Put it on local renderer. Quality, put on high. Now, one thing you got to pay attention to is your output size here. So you can just go anything like this, and that's good. But, okay, I'm going to do a really low one just so it's nice and quick. Okay, but you really should be doing higher resolutions because you want your thing to look slightly nicer. But I'm going to do a medium one. Okay, I'll click render. Okay. You know it's working because down the bottom here, you've got a little window that pops up. So it's processing, processing. Sometimes it can take a minute or two. All right, if I want to see what it looks like, double tap. Right, here's my render, and I can save by clicking this. Okay, and that's how you create a Wonder Woman logo, and that's how you create a rendered image of your Wonder Woman logo. Final thing we should do is to correctly save your work, you go File, Export, not Save As. Export lets you select the position, desktop, folders, anything like that. Lets you select where you want to save your thing, and you can save into that spot. So save your logo. And next lesson, we'll see what everyone's logos look like.